Now this is a question from sequence. Okay, I want you guys to pause the video and try to find this answer. Okay, just don't try to be a perfectionist, just find the answer. Okay, hope you guys at least tried. Now I'm going to give you the answer. So the pattern here is 1, 1, 2, 4, 8, 12, 1, 4, 4, 1, 7, 2, 8, and so on. So the first thing, whenever I get a pattern, I usually would check the difference. I usually check the difference and keep going. But I can't do that here because the number is increasing very much. Okay, so this is nothing to do with addition. This has something to do with multiplication. But even then, I would be stuck a little bit. I have no idea how to solve this. So what I will just observe is that the starting two numbers were ones, but after that every numbers are even numbers. And if I look at the option, we have three odd numbers and one even number. So I would guess this answer. If I don't get the answer, I would guess this answer. Now that is my guess. Now let's see if there is any actually proper method. Okay. So I actually checked for the common ratios. I checked for their common difference. I couldn't find anything. But then I observed something, that is this 12, that is nothing but 12, 12 raised to 1, and this value is actually 12 square. So just I wanted to check if whether this is going to be 12 cube, and when I check the value of 12 cube, that is actually 1728. So that is 12 cube. So I tried to figure out if such a pattern exists. That is, this is 2, this value is 2 square, and this value is 2 cube. Interesting. If I look at the first value, I actually don't, only two values are there. We are supposed to get three values, but still I can still call this as 1 square and maybe this is 1 cube. Now one thing which I observed is that these are groups of 3. So each set after these ones comes in groups of 3. But I have to progress from the first, I have to still find the first element. For example, here I have 2, here I have 12. So when I was observing for that, what I figured out is that 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Similarly, if I check 4 plus 8, I am going to get 12. So what if the next number is this plus this? That is 1728 plus, so that is, did I make a calculation mistake? Wait, let me add this once more. Okay, I think I did a mistake. 8 plus 4, that is 12. 7, 1872. Yeah, I got the answer. I got the same answer which I guessed. So I'm going to assume the next value is going to be 1872, and so that is going to be simply 1872 raised to 1. Next value should be 1872 raised to square and cube and so on. I think this is the pattern. I couldn't find anything else. If you had found some other thing, you can give me the answer. The interesting thing about sequence is that for any sequence, there will be multiple ways to find the answer. Right now, I've showed you two methods, one guessing method and one this grouping of 3 method. There will be multiple other methods also. So if you find something better, please let me know. Okay. Thank you.